Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So today we have a trade line by the name of PerPay. Now this trade line is specifically to help you rebuild your personal credit. Okay, you can shop, build credit, pay over time with your paycheck. Their mission is to help you make everyday purchases more acceptable and help you build your credit along the way. Now, the good thing about this is there is no credit check required. You can shop over 1,000+ brands. They have Apple products, HP, KitchenAid, PS4, Nest, MCM, and Shark, and plenty more. You can make small payments bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly, depending on how you set your account up, and it will come from your paycheck. This is a simple way to help you build your credit. Now, you can see an increase in your credit score as little as 36 points with PerPay. You can shop your favorite brands, use your personalized spending limit to shop for things you want and need on their online marketplace. Make automatic payments, build account history, okay? Each on-time payments help you build your history. You can see your credit score increase just after 4 months, okay? Grow your credit score. So again, the good thing about this is there is no credit score required to be approved for this account. Now, you can access your spending limit and start shopping less than 60 seconds once approved. Now, I did apply for this trade line. I was approved for $10,000. Of course, I did not accept the terms because this is to help you build your personal credit. Okay, so if you are looking to do just that and shop really nice items plus more, this could be a great trade line for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.